Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The image of a country obviously derives from its various attributes: society, culture, values, economy, and politics. Full stop. Every country has strengths and weaknesses. Full stop. Emphasizing the positive aspects of a country is not about pleasing others or being defensive. Full stop. In fact, not doing so allows rivals or adversaries to define you and seize the narrative to the country's detriment. Full stop. New paragraph. Turning to the concept of soft power, its greater importance today is a consequence of our changing times. Full stop. In a world fundamentally transformed by technological and scientific advances as well as the information revolution, the nature of power has also been changing. Full stop. Widely accepted is the fact that military and economic power are not the only determinants of a country's international standing and clout. Full stop. Nor are they regarded adequate anymore to guarantee success in securing foreign policy goals. Full stop. Increasingly, a country's reputation and positive image count and play a pivotal role in earning respect and enhancing its diplomatic weight in international affairs. Full stop. New paragraph. Harvard scholar Joseph Nye, who introduced the notion of soft power, defined it as the ability to shape the preferences of others and achieve outcomes through attraction rather than coercion or economic incentives. Full stop. He counterposed the soft power of persuasion and co-option to the power of coercion represented by the hard power of military and economic strength. Full stop. And he saw culture, political values, and foreign policy as the main sources of soft power. Full stop. New paragraph. Other scholarly studies point out that a range of diverse attributes can comprise soft power resources. Full stop. They include a country's governance and human rights record, its educational, scientific, and technological prowess, culture and heritage, media and communication, entertainment, tourist attractions, business practices, and of course its foreign policy conduct. Full stop. The world's most powerful states that possess formidable military and economic strength and stand on their own feet use soft power in their strategies and spend a great deal of resources on this, not because they lack confidence, but as this helps to magnify their influence and supplement their hard power. Full stop.